Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to attach a neck strap to a DSLR camera. In this video tutorial, I'll be going over the easy steps to properly attaching a neck strap to a camera just like this one. All right, let's get right into the tutorial. So first and foremost, you want to locate the neck strap rings or rungs, I should say, on the camera. So as you can see right here, we have one on either side. In most cases, they're going to be in a very similar position. Then you want to get your neck strap, and with your neck strap, you want to figure out which side is supposed to be facing out, which is usually going to be the labeled side, and then which side is supposed to be facing in, like on your neck, which is usually going to be a little bit more padded and grippy, just like this. So this right here, as you can see, is the side that's supposed to go on your neck. So you want to take the strap like this, and you want to sort of lay it out so that the grippy part, the neck part, is sort of facing the camera, okay? And now you want to start with one side. So I'm going to take one side and make sure you keep it nice and straight like this, okay? And you want to make sure it's oriented properly. And you want to start off by taking it, and you're going to go, and I know this is oriented properly like this, you're going to go from the out in, just like that, because you don't want it to be going from the in out, you want it to be going from the out in. So go inwards like that through the rung, okay? Now you're going to pull it through and get a good amount of slack. Now in most cases you're going to have like this protection little slider, so you're going to feed this through, make sure it's not twisted, feed this through the protection slider. Now this might be a little bit difficult. You might need like a little like a needle, or like you know, like a sewing needle or a toothpick or something to feed it through, but in most cases if you keep it nice and straight, you can probably just squeeze it through. I should be able to do it without getting anything. I mean, I can like use a pen if I need to, but for the most part all you need to do is make it just poke through a little bit right there. As you can see, it's poking through, and then pull it through just like that. So now we've actually attached this part, but it's not secure yet. So I'm going to take the slider, bring it all the way down there, and now it's not secure because this can come out easily. But what you want to do is go and thread it through this loop right here. So in order to do that, you want to get a lot of slack on the pre-existing strap that's on there. So this is like where you would adjust the height of the strap, or the length, I should say. Get a good amount of slack right there. And then you're going to look here and you're going to feed it through. So take it, make sure it's oriented properly. Feed one side through, just like that. Okay, as you can see, it's popping out through there. Take it, pull it all the way through, and then drop it through the other side like that. Okay? Drop it through the other side like that. And don't worry, we're going to test the strength before we actually trust it with our camera. So feed it through there. Okay, and like I said, all you got to do is get it through a little bit, and then you can just pull it through. So as you can see, we have the part that we just fed through right over there, and then we have this, which is the part that connects to the actual neck strap, right? This is the part that kind of connects to the rung, and then this part connects to the neck strap. So I can now pull this through like that, okay? And just make sure it's nice and tight. And what you want to do is take just this part, not this part, just this part, and you want to pull on it. Make sure that it's not moving. And if you can do that safely, I'm really pulling on this. If you can do that safely, then you should be okay. Now we're going to repeat the same thing with the other side. However, it is super duper important to make sure that it's not twisted. So take your strap, make sure that it's like oriented properly, meaning the neck part is always, you know, facing the camera. Okay. Just move it all the way across, make sure that it's oriented properly. And when you get to here, we're going to do the exact same thing with this side right over here. Okay. So once again, make sure it's oriented properly. I'm going to take this right here. I'm going to go from the outside in. Okay, so I'm going out to the in, just like that. I'm going to now feed it through the slider, as you can see right there. Hopefully you can see this all properly on camera. I'm doing my best to sort of keep my hands out of the way, kind of. So feed it through the slider. Once again, I see it poking out right there. I can pull it through. Okay, so now I've fed it through the slider. Okay, I'm going to just give it a little bit more slack like that, and then slide the slider all the way in, just like that. And now what you have is this remaining part that you have to actually feed through the loop right there. So once again, we are going to loosen up this outer piece. Okay, so now we have a loop that we can work with right here. By loop, I'm talking about this piece right here. Okay, we're going to feed this in on one side, just like that. We're almost done at this point. And it's a very slow process. You don't want to try and speed this through, because, you know, you're talking about a potentially very expensive camera. So then we're going to take this, we're pulling it through, and we're going to drop it down the other side. So we just loop it down the other side like this, and you're staying inside of this bigger loop right here. Right? You got to keep everything oriented properly. I mean, you don't want to twist it for safety and for comfort. So it's peeking out right here. I just need to take it, pull it through like that. Okay. Pull it nice and tight. And then this part right here, I'm going to pull just like that. And then, like I said, just test it out. Not this part, but this part that connects to the actual neck strap. We're going to just hold the camera and just pull it substantially. Okay. And as you can see, like I'm really pulling on this thing. It's not going anywhere. And that's it. I mean, it should be oriented properly, but if you want, you can test it out. But for the most part, if you follow the steps, it should be oriented properly. As you can see, it is nice and secure. I don't have to worry about my camera, about my DSLR camera. And that's basically it. In this video, I've shown you how to attach a neck strap to a DSLR camera. If you like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.